Good day. Let us see about six thinking hat ideation technique in design thinking. When it comes to six thinking hat, it is used when you have to solve a complex problem. Six thinking hat supports creative thinking. It supports out of the box thinking, and it also ensures it gives space for parallel thinking, and it somehow balances between rationality and emotional thinking. It ensures that the solutions or the ideas thought of is not too emotional, neither it is too rational. Now, when it comes to the process of six thinking hat ideation process, it involves six stages, and it is a color coordinated thinking process where we have six hats, and each and every hat has an unique color. Blue color hat, you have white color hat, green color hat, yellow color hat, black color hat, and a red color hat. And the significance of blue color hat is they act like moderators, managers. They are the ones who start this six thinking process. They summarize the problem, and we start with the blue hat, and we also end with blue hat in six thinking ideation process. So we start off with the blue hat, where they define the problem, and they summarize the elements that has to be solved. And then we have a white hat. And now the six thinking hats can be played or can be done as a team activity, or it could be done by an individual person. If it is done as an individual person, then the same person first they have to think like a blue hat person, then they have to think like a white hat person, then they have to think like a green hat, yellow hat, black hat, and red hat person, and once again think like a blue hat person in the end. If it is done as a group activity, then a moderator or a manager calls out of person who will they start and then they divide people into teams, and one team is assigned the role to act like a white hat person, a white hat team, green hat team, yellow hat team, black hat team, and red hat team, and come up with ideas and corrections in the ideas and solutions, and tweaking the ideas depending upon the discussions. Now, after the blue hat person has described the problem and who's clearly stated what has to be solved, what does the problem actually represents, the white hat team presents facts. They collect a lot of information regarding what is the problem, what products the current customers are using, a full detailed analysis of the customers, the plus points of the current product or a service, the minus points of the current product or the service. Pure facts are represented by white hat team, which is also called as focus team. And then the shift goes to green hat team, where they they are the ones who actually generate ideas, and they they come up with a clear explanation why they have thought about this idea. And then the shift goes to yellow team. Yellow team people are called as optimistic team. They try to find the all the plus points and the advantages that caters to the ideas that has been generated during the green hat thinking stage. Then we move on to the black hat thinking stage, where we try to find the risk, we try to find the challenges, we try to find the drawbacks associated with the ideas that has been discovered during the green hat thinking stage. Then comes red hat thinking stage, where it is called as emotional stage, where you try to where you try to pose like an customer and check if emotionally how they're feeling about the new ideas, whether they're happy, whether they're excited, whether they're confused, whether they're angry, or whether they're dissatisfied. So you try to find these factors, and if people are very happy and excited, well and good. Otherwise, if any other emotions are found, then obviously ideas has to be modified and changed, and the cycle continues. So these hats have been done by my students. I thank them. So again, I repeat, blue hat represents a process of making modification in the process. It represents the head, moderator, managers who are responsible for defining what is to be solved, and they are the ones who will take the final decision once all the discussions over. Finally, again, blue hat people will take the decisions regarding what ideas to implement next. And then you have white hat thinking, where you actually put forth, you collect all the facts about the product, service, and the people who are using the current product and services, and come up with the statistics, come up with an analysis, and state and show that to the remaining team members. Or if it's done individually, think by yourself. It helps you to think and generate good ideas. Then comes green hat people. Green hat people are the ones who actually come up with creative ideas, depending upon they go through the information put forth by the white hat team, and after going through the information after going through the information stated by the white hat team, they come up with a lot of ideas. Then you have yellow team. They are the ones who state the positive aspect of each and every idea. They try to find the positive things about the ideas, the wow factors, the positive things, the prediction of success rate. Everything is done by yellow hat team. And the exact opposite is done by black hat team, which is also called as critic team or devil's advocate team. They try to find fault in the ideas. They try to find risks in the ideas. They try to find drawbacks and challenges that could be faced in the future with the potential ideas, and they come up with a clear analysis of it. Then comes red hat team thinking. Now they are the ones, they are called as emotional thinkers. Now these people, or the person who acts like a red hat thinker, will try to find what kind of emotions you can associate with the idea by imaginarily thinking as customer, and um, if the customer is happy and excited, well and good. Otherwise, the ideas has to be reconsidered once again. To sum up, uh, to solve complex problem, to solve challenging problems, six thinking hats will be used, and to make you more focused on your work, again, six thinking hats will help you, and to make beautiful decisions at every point of time. Six thinking hats is one of the good technique to adopt, and six thinking hats helps you to remove unnecessary details. Thank you.